Looky, looky, looky. The mailman liked me today. All right, so I'm going to change out the dash cam in the Mazda. And there have been so many innovations in dash cam technology of late. And a lot of it is driven by the ride-sharing services. So this offering is from Viofo. It's a T130 3-channel. Yes, 3-channel. Here it is. This is the rear camera. This is the forward-facing camera. And then you have this camera which faces the interior of the vehicle, and you can move the lens to face the window or wherever you need it to point. Now, if you're stopped by the police, this could be a very handy feature. And of course, it records in a high quality infrared night vision. It has a Sony image sensor. That is very, very important. It also has GPS. I cannot overstress the importance of having a dash camera in your vehicle. Not just to catch accidents and that sort of thing, but for your safety. So here we have the camera. Now, I have some other Viofos that are in long-term service for evaluation, and I'll be getting videos up on them as well. This particular model sells on Amazon for, I believe it was $239. And my experience with Viofo cameras thus far has been very, very favorable. I have every confidence that this thing will be just fine. So this is the part that mounts to the windshield, and it unhooks here so you can remove the unit. There's your forward-facing camera, which is adjustable up and down, as you can see there. SD card slot is here. Controls for the camera are here. Get a little better view there. This is the lens that pivots. And of course the whole thing is adjustable for up and down and whatnot. Looks like a very solid piece of gear. And what else comes in the box? Well, let's have a look-see. Now, they do a good job of packaging their products as well. I've been very, very impressed with the manner in which they pack their cameras. Here is the owner's manual. I've already flipped through it, and it's very well written and easy to understand, even for people like me. Okay, put that down. Warranty card. And hold it here. From the date of purchase, 12-month warranty. All right, and they have a product registration program. These are heck, I don't know. They call them anti-static stickers. I never use them. Honestly, I don't even know what they're for. In the bottom here, there's the rear camera. Some extra sticky pads for mounting on the windshield. This will be the cord for the rear camera. You'll run it from your rear window forward. This is the power supply and the computer cord plugging into your computer. All right. What else did I get? Well, put this all back, and went with got the Viofo SD card. I recommend you get the biggest one you can afford. This one's a 64. This is a Bluetooth button that pairs with the camera. You can place it anywhere, and then if you have an incident that happens, you don't have to take your eyes off the road. You just hit this button, and it will save the video segment that you're seeing. This is a circular polarizing lens filter. It removes glare from your dashboard and that sort of thing to make the video more viewable. Think of if you were using polarized sunglasses. It's the exact same effect. And lastly, I have the hardwire kit to run to the fuse box instead of using a plug-in to the cigarette lighter plug. And I recommend that you do this hardwired some kind of way, because you don't have to worry about it. You start the engine, camera comes on, you turn the engine off, camera goes off. And that's the best way to have it. Best way to have it. So one more time, we'll take a look at the camera itself. And then as I install this, I'm actually going to record a video. So you guys, I don't think I've ever done an actual installation video to show you how to do it, but it's actually very simple, very straightforward process. You can just see the infrared illuminators in there. I like that. So many times you get stopped by the police and you've got to hurry and get your camera phone recording or get your body camera on or whatever. This one, you just flip it over facing the window, and then you can take your time getting another camera into action. I like it. I like it a lot. You guys can't see it in the video, but it's a pretty hefty little unit. It's not super heavy, but it's got enough heft to it that you can tell it's a quality piece. There for your power plugs in. The rear camera plugs in here. SD card goes there. There's the reset button. And then all your manual controls are here. And you work it through an app. And I'll give you a demonstration of that app a little bit later.
Recording. 2 channels started.
Okay, who could use a camera with a forward-facing and rearward-facing camera to the interior? That's an interesting question. I see multiple uses for it. Rideshare people, civil rights activists, people who run businesses.
Wi-Fi connected.
People who run businesses either out of their vehicle or where they use their vehicle a lot. Well, this camera is adjustable, so it gives you the ability, if your traffic stop, to catch that traffic stop here at the window. If you have officers coming up this side, you get them as well. If you're doing that's for civil rights activists or people who operate vehicles that get stopped a lot. Ride share people, Uber, Lyft, those kind of guys. Grocery deliverers. This would be a great tool for them. Now, I haven't got the rear camera put in yet. I just have the forward-facing camera and this one. But I mean, with everything that this camera is getting, you almost don't need the rear camera. But I will install it anyway because I like having the better view. Honestly, thus far, I am very impressed with this system. I have some other Viofo dash cams that are in long-term service for evaluation. One is in the Roush. I've got a front and back camera system in another long-term vehicle. And they have been performing more than adequately. They've been performing very well. The video quality is excellent. And I attribute that to the Sony CMOS chip that they use, because they are top-notch. For those who don't know, Lucas Dashcam, that's what they were using. And you get just absolutely phenomenal video quality from it. So where I have mounted this, now the big killer of dash cams is heat. Dash cams are just about any electronic device does not do well in direct sunlight and long-term heat exposure. So where I have mounted this particular camera, where I have mounted this particular camera system, if you'll notice this little black mark above you, it is the rear view mirror. So this is kind of up high on the windshield near the rear view mirror. And I mean, it is a prime spot for heat. And I won't be removing it in the heat of the day. It'll stay there all the time. And we'll be able to assess, you know, whether it can take the heat or not. So there you have it. Let me roll in some footage from the forward-facing camera so you can see what that looks like. And you know, as time goes on, I'll get you guys updates on just how this has gone.
Doing too good.
SD shows have class CDL, eligible, expired, birthday is 23, 3 alerts in house, no worries.
Chain 4, very copy, okay. Good.
Vehicle returns to a 2002 Toyota beige in color, expires May of 22 to John S.B. No payment.
Clear. Zero 432.
Clear.
Good one. No.
Good.
Go
1164 to 1221.
ahead.
You need me at the jail?
Wouldn't hurt.
That's clear.